Guys, I'm going to war. I'm over it, completely over it. I went into my rabbitry to check on my babies, to feed my rabbits, and guess what? I got attacked by about 10,000 flipping red ants. My dogs got attacked by red ants. So, Sam is over it. Today, going to war. Now, you guys all know I'm sustainable, I'm organic, and I'm regenerative, and I don't normally mess with the red ants. But when you come after my pets, we have a problem. So let me show you what I'm gonna do, because my daddy did it. And if it works for Pawpaw Sammy, it'll work for Samantha. I have an empty CD case, okay? Gets better. I have borax. Gets better. I have sugar. So what Sam's going to do, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of borax in that CD case. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar in that CD case. I'm going to put a little water on it, get it good and kind of gunked up together. And I'm going out to the rabbitry to set it out to catch and kill the red ants. And you guys are going to come with me. Okay, there's my sugar. I've decided to go ahead and mix it in this so it doesn't come out of the CD case. So we've got the sugar in place. Now let me tell you about borax. Borax can kill rats, can kill roaches. It's found in lots and lots of major pesticides they use in your home, along with, arsenic and all that nonsense. But borax won't hurt your dogs. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt your children. So it's actually a pretty good thing to keep to kill. Now, when I say it won't hurt them, I'm not advising that your kids eat a box of borax, guys. Okay, so that's not working. You know me, if it's not working, let's make it work. Oop, a little bit heavy on the borax there, but I do have a lot of ants to kill. So basically I'm just adding enough water to make it like a soupy, nasty mix. And I'm gonna put it, let's see how we're gonna do this, guys. Stand that up like that. And let's get creative. Good to me. All right, let's take it outside. So the ones of you that watch me on a regular basis, I'm a pretty positive person. And I'm pretty much one of those people that live and let live, right? I'm like, you're not bothering me, I'm not bothering you. Whether that's a snake or a possum, a mound of ants in the middle of my garden, I just work around you because you have a purpose too, and I get that. But when I go in my rabbitry to do what I need to do, and I come out with 100 ant bites on my feet, and my dogs are rolling in the grass trying their darndest to remove the red ants from their fur, we have a problem. We have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. So, like I said, taking card out of my dad's playbook, here is the CD case filled with borax and sugar. Now the way it's gonna work, the ants can enter through the hole in the top, or where you see it leaking water, they can definitely fit in there. They're going to take this, like food, back to their nest, and they're gonna kill their queen and all their babies. And it's gonna take 3 to 5 days, but it will kill them. It is efficient, and it is pet friendly. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to win the war.